Hey, it's Rebecca with Rainell Studio, and I'm back again with another Born Pretty unboxing. They sent me this set of 6 gel polish colors. It's actually 5 colors and 1 glitter polish. So make sure you check out the link in the description box. They are also giving 20% off of this set as well. Use code RAINNAIL at checkout and save you a few dollars. These are also inexpensive, and if you are a beginner, these polishes are really nice. They're very creamy and smooth, and they don't move around a lot, so you can do what you need to do before you cure it. I really love these colors. They're giving me very much muted spring. My favorite one is the second one, the pink one. But I'm gonna try an abstract nail design today. So go ahead and keep on watching. Make sure you subscribe. Check out all of the links and pages that are in the description box. Make sure you follow me on Instagram at BeccaB_. Again, my name is Rebecca, and I hope to see you soon. While I add these finishing touches, I just wanted to let you guys know that when you click the link, there are other collections. So there is a lot of different colors you can choose from, different sets. So make sure that you guys check that out and save you a couple of coins. This is the finished look. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you subscribe, and I hope to see you soon.